The words do not come to my mind whenever I'm trying to speak in English. I feel I'm going to go blank and I do not know how to express myself properly without the words. If this happens with you, do not worry, it happens with every English learner. Hello everyone, my name is Irfan Sheikh. I hope you are doing well today. So today we are going to discuss this issue. Initially I used to face same issue, but since I started practicing it has decreased to some level. And I know with the time it will decrease to a 0 level. I have one real story for you today that will help you to overcome this issue. I don't know how many of you have heard this story before, but believe me, you will enjoy listening it again. So watch video right till the end. This is real story of famous painter Pablo Picasso. One day Pablo Picasso was walking by the street of New York. One lady came to him and said, "I know you are the famous painter Pablo Picasso. I love your work. Please could you draw something for me?" He smiled and took out a piece of paper from his pocket and he started drawing something on that. Within 30 seconds he drew something on the paper, and while giving it to lady he said, "Ma'am, this painting worth $1 million. The lady was very happy as she got the painting from Pablo Picasso. But she was not sure about the price. Later, she approached one shopkeeper and asked, "If I want to sell this painting, how much will you pay?" The shopkeeper recognized the painting and said, "This is Pablo Picasso's painting. This painting is not less than $1 million. If you want to sell this painting here, I can pay you $1 million right now." The lady was surprised, thinking that how can the painting drew within 30 seconds be that expensive? Now her eagerness to meet Pablo Picasso was increased. Anyhow, she managed to meet him again in one exhibition event, went to him and said, "Do you remember the painting that you gave me? It really was worth $1 million. The Pablo Picasso smiled and said, "I drew the painting, I know it." The lady was excited and said, Can you teach me the art of drawing painting within 30 seconds that worth $1 million? The Pablo Picasso smiled and said, "Ma'am, it took me 30 long years to learn this art." So friends, here we can understand even famous personalities need hard work and practice to become best version of themselves. So who we are? How can we expect to become good at everything without doing anything? If you really want to develop your communication, then promise to yourself that you are not going to leave a single chance of learning. This is the only way you can get command over this language. I have one more solution to it. Do not use fancy words whenever you speak. Speak with whatever limited set of words you have. Because at beginning, if you start speaking with fancy words, then definitely you will end up losing confidence. If you have seen me, I never use fancy words while speaking because I am also learning. But believe me, by practicing more and more, the words will automatically start popping up in your mind. It's just a matter of time. So never give up, keep practicing. I hope you have learned something new today. If you really enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. That motivates me to make more videos. See you soon. Bye bye.